Welcome back to The Explainer. You know those incredibly engaging automated faceless videos? The ones absolutely taking over educational and history channels right now? Well, today we are breaking down the exact, completely free AI engine behind them. We are going to unpack the step-by-step process used to build these highly profitable videos, going from a blank page to a finished, viral-ready product without spending a dime. Picture this. $2,500. That is the actual revenue pulled in by a single 7-minute AI-generated stickman video. Think about that for a second. No expensive camera rigs, no lighting crew, and literally no human on screen. Just a simple, highly engaging animated concept that turned a handful of free AI prompts into serious, measurable cash. And look, this is definitely not some one-off fluke. One channel in this exact same stickman history niche raked in over 80 million views with just 57 videos. That kind of repeatable scale is just insane. It proves that audiences are genuinely hungry for this style of content, and the algorithm is actively rewarding it big time. Okay, let's dive into this blueprint. 1. The viral faceless economy. 2. Cloning success with NotebookLM. 3. Generating scripts and voices. 4. Animating with flowai. And 5. The final CapCut assembly. Section 1. The viral faceless economy. Debunking the monetization myth. We need to just squash a major rumor right now. A lot of folks out there claim AI faceless videos are suppressed or that advertisers avoid them. But the data completely proves otherwise. That example video we just talked about, it saw a massive $8.67 RPM. That is highly lucrative, proving these channels are absolutely cash flowing if you set them up correctly. Just look at the sheer velocity of growth across these different stickman history channels. You've got a test video on a channel called IM4T hitting 300,000 views. Then there's You Are History snagging over 1 million views just 3 months after uploading, and get this, with only 6 videos on their whole channel. And then the heavy hitter, Serious History, dominating with 80 million views. When you pair simple 2D stickman visuals with a killer story, the growth spreads like wildfire. So how exactly are they pulling this off? Well, it all relies on a completely free tech stack. It's basically the ultimate zero-cost production studio. You've got NotebookLM acting as the brain, DupDub AI stepping in as the voice, flowai handling the animation, and finally CapCut pulling it all together for the assembly. You literally don't need a budget to start. You just need to know how to connect these 4 tools. Section 2. Cloning success with NotebookLM, the architect. NotebookLM is the first major tool in our stack, and it acts as the brains of the whole operation. So instead of just guessing what might go viral, we use it to reverse engineer proven winners. It's super streamlined. Step 1, you just drop the YouTube link of a successful creator right into NotebookLM. Step 2, run an analysis prompt. You literally tell the AI, hey, analyze this channel's pacing, its hooks, and the story arcs. Then, step 3, ask it to generate unique topics based on that exact winning formula. It basically hands you the channel's psychological blueprint. And the output is wild. It hands you these highly engaging, historically curious ideas. Take a look at this selected topic, the real reason humans survived cooking food. It's a real hook, right? Nobody naturally thinks of cooking as a survival hazard, so it sparks this immediate curiosity. It doesn't feel like a boring textbook lecture. It feels like this hidden secret you just have to click on. And this brilliantly illustrates the kind of high-quality hook the AI writes. Just listen to this. You are a Homo erectus standing in the East African savanna 1.5 million years ago, and your jaw is absolutely aching. I mean, wow. Right from the jump, you were totally immersed. It sets the scene, hands you a relatable problem, an aching jaw, and creates an intense desire to stick around to find out why. All of that generated in seconds. Section 3, generating scripts and voices, the senses. All right, so we have the brain of our video. Now we need to give it a natural-sounding voice. We've got to give it some senses. The crucial part is how you move from raw text to spoken word. First thing, you've got to take your AI script and drop it into Google Docs. Why? Because you absolutely must strip out any timestamps or brackets the AI spat out. You want a perfectly clean block of text for a smooth flow. Then, take that text over to DupDub AI. The secret sauce here? Make sure to select the ultra quality options. You have to use those premium ultra voices so the narration doesn't sound robotic. We want a passionate storyteller, not a machine. Section 4. Animating with flowai, the visuals. Once we have our compelling audio, we move into the most visually exciting part. We are giving our script a body and scenery, turning it into an actual animated cartoon. And I really have to emphasize how low the barrier to entry is here. 1,000. That is the number of free credits Flow AI gives you every single month. But here is the absolute kicker. Generating still images costs literally nothing. 0 credits. You can tweak and generate as many character designs and scenes as you need to perfect your visual story without spending a single dime. To get that unified, professional look, you just have to lock in your settings. Tell Flow AI to use the Nano Banana Pro model and make sure your aspect ratio is set to 16:9 for YouTube. Now this next part is vital. Upload a style reference image, like a screenshot of a stickman you like, and force the AI to use it purely for style reference. Finally, paste in the character prompts NotebookLM generated for you. That ensures every single scene looks completely consistent, as if it was drawn by the exact same professional animator. Let's move to video mode and see how this builds. Once your still images are locked in, you switch Flow AI over to video mode. Choose the VO3 fast model. Drop in your perfectly generated scene image, and then paste the video prompt that NotebookLM already wrote for you. In minutes, it transforms those free, static images into incredibly smooth, high-quality animations. You've suddenly got a living, breathing cartoon sequence. Section 5, the final CapCut assembly, polishing the product. We are in the final stretch. We've got our pristine voiceover, our smooth video clips, and now we need to assemble them into a cohesive, highly engaging final product. Inside CapCut, it's a quick 4-step polish. Step 1, drop the voiceover in and sync your video clips to match the narration. Step 2, immediately mute all the original audio on those video tracks so no weird AI background noise sneaks in. Step 3 is the real pro trick. Scale up your video clips just a tiny bit. Zooming in slightly completely hides the VO3 watermark that comes with the free generations. Finally, step 4, drop a mixed transition between every single clip. It beautifully glues it all together and makes the whole video feel incredibly polished. Oh, and we can't forget the packaging. You actually deploy the exact same AI workflow at the very end to build a highly clickable thumbnail. Just ask NotebookLM to write a thumbnail prompt based on your script, paste that into Flow AI along with your style reference image, and boom, you've got a perfectly composed, custom thumbnail ready to attract those clicks. So we've just seen how you can use NotebookLM, DupDub AI, Flow AI, and CapCut as an entire zero-cost production studio, which leaves us with a pretty massive thought to ponder. If completely free AI can seamlessly analyze, perfectly clone, and basically automate the mechanics of virality, what does the future of content creation actually look like? Are we heading into an era where having a great idea completely outshines technical skill? It is a massive disruptive shift, and the craziest part is, it's available to you right now. Thanks for joining me on this explainer. Keep learning, and I'll catch you next time.